In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have 2 blogs with WordPress. Whether you're a beginner eager to explore different niches or a seasoned blogger looking to expand your online presence, this guide has got you covered. We'll walk through each necessary stage to set up and manage 2 distinct blogs from a single WordPress account, a setup that's more straightforward than you might think. Before you dive in, ensure you have a reliable web hosting plan in place. Most hosting services allow you to host multiple websites under one account, so choose your host wisely. If you haven't already, now's the time to pick a plan that supports this functionality. Once that's settled, you can log into your hosting account's dashboard. Typically, hosts have a tool like cPanel or a similar admin panel where you can manage all your domains. Here, you'll need to add a second domain name, the new face of your second blog. Once your second domain is ready, move on to installing WordPress. Hosting providers usually offer a one-click installation feature, saving time and streamlining the process. When installing WordPress for your second blog, be precise about selecting the correct domain. You don't want to overwrite your first blog. After clicking that install button, you'll have set up WordPress on your second blog, giving you a fresh canvas to create content. Now that WordPress is up and running on both of your domains, let's move on to customizing your second blog. This is perhaps one of the most exciting parts. WordPress offers a vast library of themes, both free and premium, catering to all kinds of looks and feels. Choose a theme that resonates with your second blog's content and audience. Once you've settled on a theme, it's time to add the finishing touches. Head over to the Customizer, where you can adjust colors, fonts, and even add widgets to make your blog uniquely yours. Content creation is the next big step. With 2 blogs, it's vital that you plan your content strategy in advance. Define the purpose of each blog, and what sets them apart, then determine a schedule that lets you consistently generate quality posts for both. Use tools like WordPress's built-in editor or external programs to draft posts, add media, and optimize for SEO. Finally, let's talk about maintaining your blogs. Regular updates are crucial, not just for content, but for WordPress itself, your themes, and any plugins you might use. Keeping everything up to date ensures security and the smooth running of your sites. Backups are your safety net against unforeseen issues, so make sure they're automatic and frequent. Congratulations! You now know how to have 2 thriving blogs with WordPress. This strategy provides versatility and room for growth at your fingertips. Remember, the key to successful blogging lies in dedication and creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!